Good day, Jamaican insiders. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to Spanish Town Jamaica before 7 a.m. Hope you will enjoy this one. We're in the parish of St. Catherine. It's gonna drive around Spanish Town for a little. Just entering Spanish Town, or just about entering Spanish Town. Twickenham Park Fish Market on our left. On our right is the Jamaica Constabulary Force base. I think that's where they have a training, Twickenham Park training, where persons go to learn or to train to become an officer, police officer. Have a look at this plaza real quick. Well, not much happening here, eh? Gas station, one of the cheaper ones. Or less expensive is the correct term, eh? The gas here is expensive, man. Bus is this now? 23A. Folks, this is Spanish Town Jamaica before 7. Going across the bridge now. St. Jacob Park Health Center on our left. And Spanish Town Hospital also on our left. must admit, I've never seen this road so empty. Oh, that's the exit. I thought that was the entrance. My bad. Of course, we're on Burke Road right now. Burke Road, Spanish Town. Spanish Town Police Station on our left. Church Street on our left. King Street on our right. Coming up to the Spanish Town Shopping Center. Marshpen Road on our left. Morrison Street on our right. Quite a bit of garbage on the road. I'm so ashamed of this. So ashamed. And my people know better. I'm not sure why they don't do better. I mean, they will never do their homes like this. They don't do their homes like this, so I don't understand why the streets have to look like this. At least this part isn't as bad. French Street right now in Spanish Town. All the viewers from Spanish Town, when last have you been around this side? Wow, the glare, the sun is up. Let me know in the comment section, when last have you been to this side of Spanish Town? Alright guys, I don't want to make this video too long. I'm going to leave it here for today. Hope you've enjoyed this brief look at Spanish Town, Jamaica before 7. Do enjoy the rest of your day. Stay safe as always. Do leave a like if you've enjoyed this one, and subscribe if you haven't done so as yet. I try to make these videos showing Jamaica before 7 every day as I pass by Spanish Town High School on my left. Thank you so much for sticking and staying. Do take care of yourself. Jamaican Insider out.